Okay, let's kind of hear it from the beginning again. You have to kind of do it over and over, and it gets tedious, I know, but a lot of it is just listening and looking for little flaws and little areas where, you think they can be improved. This is where it gets just repetitive but necessary. Okay, I'm realizing this is going on too long. There's not enough change going on. It's too repetitive right here. And I think we can go to the outro drums sooner. So maybe I don't need this. Yeah, okay, so this one's, I just want to see how long we have, what, 24 bars or so. Okay. I want this section gone. Alright, I figured it out. The timing was a little off for me, so let's do that. that was not what I intended to do at all. Let's just do this. Let's just duplicate this whole section again. Okay, and then remove this whole section again. And then I don't know why there's part of it, the melody right here. I don't need. Okay. Let's try it again. All right. Sometimes it gets a little tricky. Okay. This part can use the same exact thing. All right, I think that is good. We are good to go. We're ready to move on with the track here. So yeah, like I said, it can get a little tedious when it gets to this phase because a lot of it's just listening and making adjustments, and you can get what's called ear fatigue when you've just been listening to it all night and it doesn't, your ear kind of goes numb to the nuances in the track. So in that point, you should always just take a break. Watch a movie or just go to sleep and let your ears refresh. Actually, it's better probably to go to sleep, and especially if you're working late. But if you're working during the day, just get out, do something else, just to kind of give your ears a break, and come back to it later because you'll hear a little bit of sometimes a little bit of something you didn't hear before when your ears have had a little bit of a rest to not having like sound all day in their ears. So we can move on to the next track. I think it's basically ready to go here. We can start to add some effects, maybe add some vocals, maybe not, and kind of start to wrap it up. But for now, I think that's a solid arrangement. It's roughly about a 4-minute track. So that's the average, especially if it's going to be on radio play. They want like 3 minutes or less usually. And that's what's called like a radio edit. When you see like sometimes when you're like downloading MP3s, you'll see like the radio edit, like it's like the shorter version. And sometimes you have a longer version for like DJ purposes. They have a really long outro, but in this case, we'll just wrap it up at 4 minutes. Okay, I'll see you in the next video.